Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and in this video I'm going to answer the question, what is the minimum wage in the state of Florida? A lot of people, when they move into the state, they want to know this. Now, we do construction, so obviously we have a decent amount of day labor, and a lot of people reference the minimum wage or multiples of that for what they should be getting paid or what they feel they're worth. So I want to give you a brief rundown on what that looks like. So currently in 2022, it's April of 2022 right now, the minimum wage in Florida is $10. Now, it is going up this year to 11, and then every year successively until 2026, the minimum wage is going to continue to increase by $1 per year. And now, obviously it's just $1, but the impact on this is going to be massive, especially across the construction industry or anywhere else where there's a labor shortage, like your local Starbucks. Just kidding. Well, actually not. Most Starbucks around me like close early now because they don't have enough people. But that said, the point is construction costs. A lot of people are thinking that labor prices are going to go down or interest rates are going to, bump it down or whatever. The bottom line is, the state of Florida, and especially the Tampa Bay area where we live, is continuing to see more people coming in than new houses coming online or houses being put on the market to sell. So the bottom line is there's more demand than there is supply. So prices of homes are going to continue to creep up. And because there are more people buying homes that have been lived in and are not new construction and are not their dream home, quote unquote, right? They're still probably cheaper than the house they sold up north to move down here. They're looking to do renovations or build additions, excuse me, or build a new construction home. Good, thank you. Because they probably sold their house up north for more and are buying for less down here, they're going to be looking to do renovations, additions, or just build a new home entirely. So that demand is going to continue creeping up the demand for labor, along with this rising minimum wage. So the bottom is going up and the top is going up. The whole range of labor for construction is just going up over the next 5 years. I mean, really, it's 2022, maybe 4 years, but it's obviously going to continue past that. So if you're actually looking for a career that's going to not pay you the minimum wage, it's going to pay you much more. I mean, we have people in our company that make six-figure incomes, and we do the construction management, right? We don't even employ anybody who's out in the field swinging a hammer. So if you want to get involved in the construction industry in the Tampa Bay area and you can really produce, you're a producer, you get results, like you're freaking amazing at what you do, this would be the time to jump in, because the prices are going to continue to go up, which means that there's going to be money to be made. Now, if you're looking to buy, obviously that's, it is what it is. When the price of a car goes up, it's, hey, you don't get mad about it. It's just the price of the car went up. The same thing is happening with construction and labor. Nobody's doing it. Like, there's not somebody who's like, let's increase the price by 5%. It's like, hey, we have to increase the price by X amount because we're having to pay more to keep our employees on because they could go and get XYZ job over here due to this other opportunity. It's the nature of how economies move and grow. So that said, the most important point is, if you're looking to do a construction project in the state of Florida, right now is the cheapest time you'll ever have to do it. The prices are not going down ever, 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 ever. Once people's wages go up, you can't bring them back down. Like, it just doesn't work that way. So that said, if you are looking to jump on it and get your construction project done and you need help designing it, go to homelove.construction/design. We can do it either in person or virtually, which means you can be out of our service area of the Tampa Bay area and we can still help you with the design of your home. We can do the whole thing for you. It's virtual. You get a 3D rendering of what it's going to look like. It's beautiful, it's amazing, and it's super fun. So go to homelove.construction/design for that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.